Road trip season is upon us, so in today's video, I am showing you our epic SUV camping setup, car camping setup, so that you can camp in your car or SUV comfortably in luxury with maximum comfort while still saving a bunch of money by staying at primitive campsites and free campsites. We started road tripping back in 2020 or 2021, and we have road tripped all over the United States, been to over 25 US national parks, and every single time we go on a big road trip, we are camping in the back of our car. The blog post version of this video is one of my most popular and viral blog posts on my website, so it is high time that I make a video version showing you in detail our entire gear setup. But first, let's rewind the clock because I filmed the first half of this video last night when we were setting up our SUV camping setup. So let's rewind the clock and start there. First things first is our mattress setup. Now I wanna add a little disclaimer to begin with because we have invested quite a bit of money in our car camping gear and SUV gear as we've upgraded. So we have a lot of high quality Luno car camping gear. I will link all these products in the description. They are not paying me to say this. And when we first started, we did not have this nice of specifically car camping gear. In fact, we used an old wooden door from the basement of our 1900s house that we weren't using as a base, a cot mattress as our mattress, and a memory foam topper that we already had in our house. So as I'm going through all of this nice luxury gear, it is nice. I definitely think it's worth it. They aren't paying me to say this, although Luno, we do love your gear. So if you want to pay me to say this in a future video, feel free to email me. But you can start with things that you probably already have at home that are similar to what I'm about to show you. We got our inflatable mattress that is custom fit to our car, our SUV. We have a standard size SUV, and Luno makes mattresses that are custom fit to a bunch of different makes and models of different cars. So this one's custom fit to our make and model. We have our inflatable mattress, mattress topper, and a quilt from Luno. So we're gonna set that up now. Starting with the mattress, it comes with a mattress pump, which is super useful when we are off the grid. We can plug this into our cigarette lighter, start the car, and inflate our entire mattress in literally maybe 3 minutes, maybe less. There also is an inflate feature and a deflate feature, which makes deflating your mattress down flat at the end of your camping trip so easy. And voila, just like that, half of it is inflated. Another thing that I like about this mattress in particular is that the inflation is in two halves. There's separate halves to inflate. So if A, your partner's side starts deflating in the middle of the night, your side is fine. And B, if you only want to inflate one side and keep one of your seats up or gear on the side, then you can totally do that too. I'm gonna move those seats forward so that this fits better. Next is our mattress topper. It's memory foam. Even though this totally works and this is totally comfortable in and of itself, this adds a little extra layer of comfort when we're on our campground. Also custom fit to the mattress and the car in general. Next is the fitted mattress sheet that goes over our topper and mattress. This is really nice because it's easy to wash. So if it gets dirty during a camping trip, it still keeps our nice expensive mattress clean, but it's easy to wash. And now for the quilt, also custom fit to our mattress situation, but you could use, quite frankly, any quilt from home as long as you don't mind it getting dirty in a potential dirty campsite. Or sleeping bags. This is another gear upgrade that we've made recently. Usually we do use sleeping bags. In fact, we really like using backpacking sleeping bags that are super compact and lightweight that we can travel easily with and pack super easily either in our car or even flying if we're flying with our SUV camping gear. And there is the base of our super, super comfortable SUV camping setup. As you can see, again, like I said, this is a custom fit quilt that goes with the set, or that you can buy with the set. And another nice feature about it is that the strap around the top of the inflatable mattress to keep it in place through the night. And it is very comfortable and roomy in here still. Next, a very, very important part to your SUV camping setup is a light source. It makes the world of a difference when you're in the pitch black campground and you can't see what you're doing when you are trying to set up your SUV car camping setup, or when you're just eating or hanging around a fire. It is so nice to have a light source. We have a couple of light sources that we regularly use, one being a set of battery operated or rechargeable lanterns just to have around the campsite as we're walking around in the dark, and also string lights to have in the car before we go to bed. This is the Ogre brand. They gifted these to me a while ago. What I really like about them is that they are retractable, so they make it super easy to travel with string lights. And when we're in our car, we hang them on the coat hooks around our car, and the handles on our car wrap them around us in the back, and it is a perfect light source when it's nighttime when you're camping. Another very important element that you will want when you are car camping or SUV camping are privacy screens, or some sort of mechanism to have the back of your car, at the very least, if not your entire car, completely private, because no one likes the thought of people peeping into your windows when you're sleeping. So we have these window screens, also from Luno. Our very back windows and trunk window are tinted, so we don't have window screens for those, although if you want them, totally understandable. We feel that with the tint at night, there's no seeing in or out of these back windows, so we put them on the door windows where our heads are, where our faces are when we're sleeping. Oh, and they act as a barrier between you and the bugs. If you want to sleep with the windows down, you can. We've done it before, and they keep the bugs out with the windows open. We find that having the windows open is really nice because it does tend to get stuffy in the car overnight, which I'll talk about later. So having that airflow is really helpful. And you can shut the doors with them on. And for our front windows, we have a curtain that hangs right behind our heads to divide where we're sleeping from the front of the car and the front windows, to add privacy from the front of the car. Another nice thing about this curtain in particular, and I'm sure there are other versions like it, is that you can open it during the day and latch them open, keep them latched open. So when you're driving around during the day, you don't have to reset it up every night. So that's really nice. For all intents and purposes, here's what it looks like when it's closed for privacy at night. And now we are losing daylight here, so we are gonna go to bed, and when we wake up tomorrow, I will show you the rest of our SUV camping setup. Good morning. After a good night's sleep and more light, which is the most important part, I wanted to show you all of our smaller gear that really enhances our SUV camping setup, makes things a lot more organized and a lot more comfortable. Last night I showed you our mattress setup, and now I want to show you all of our small gear rapid fire. First, our inflatable backpacking camping pillows. Super easy to pack and deflate to be really compact. Plus they add an extra layer of comfort to our mattress and sleeping set. Next are our camping chairs that also pack really easily and pack down into these small little bags that are really easy to travel with. We fly with our SUV camping setup quite often and just set it up in a rental car. So these are really nice to bring, because when you're camping in a car or an SUV, you are dealing with really confined spaces. So it is so nice to have a clean chair to sit on when you are cooking your camp food or just relaxing outside of your vehicle without having to be in the confined space of your car. It's nice to get some fresh air and to have clean seats to sit on that aren't the dirty ground. Speaking of confined spaces, a really common theme that we've learned in our car camping, SUV camping experience is that it is super easy to become overstimulated, become frustrated, because you're dealing with tight quarters, you're dealing with setting up and tearing down gear every single day. Sometimes you're dealing with sore muscles after long hikes. So we've learned that spending some money on organization really, really helps with that. Keeping your space clean and organized, keeping your setup as organized as possible and all of your gear as organized as possible is key to maintaining a stable mood, making yourself feel a lot happier on your trip, and keeping frustration at bay. So one of our organizers that we have is a seat back organizer that has a variety of different pockets. You can attach this around the front seats of your car. We have 2 of them, one for each of us. So it is right behind our head. We have our phones easily accessible so that we have our alarms easily accessible for when we're getting up for sunrises. We can keep our wallets in here. We can keep flashlights in here or pepper spray in here, or our fans, which I'll talk about in a little bit, blowing on us while we're sleeping right next to our head. It's really nice to have that right next to us. Next, we have this storage bag that is magnetic, so we can stick it to our car, and it has super strong magnets. So we actually put our shoes in here. If we have dirty hiking shoes or dirty sandals from hiking or just from the campsite, we can store them outside of our car, keep our car nice and clean at night, and still keep our shoes off the ground when they're outside of our vehicle. It's waterproof, so your shoes stay dry. The bottom is also made of a mesh material, so it can dry out and air out your shoes overnight. And arguably, most importantly, it keeps the dirt and your dirty shoes outside of your car or SUV. Speaking of keeping dirty shoes outside of your car and keeping your car clean, we also have this nice heavy duty large mat that we place outside of our car door so that we can step outside of our car with just our socks on or just our bare feet without stepping onto the literal dirt ground of our campsite. Again, this helps keep dirt out of your vehicle, helps everything stay clean and organized, and it's a lot easier to step out of your vehicle in the early morning in the dark without shoes on, instead of trying to like put your shoes on, put your hiking boots on and tie them when you're already cramped in the vehicle. Another problem that we have learned to solve in our SUV camping lifetime is that when you're camping with the windows up especially, there is no ventilation virtually, and it gets really stuffy really fast and makes it harder to sleep. So we either sleep with the windows down with our window privacy screens on, like I mentioned last night, and or we sleep with a fan on. We just upgraded to this fan that is specifically designed for car camping. You can either suction cup it to the window. It also comes with a clamp attachment so that you can clamp it to the bar of your headrest in front of you. So I'm excited to try this out on our next SUV camping trip. But in the past, we've just used these really affordable handheld rechargeable portable fans. Both of these are from Amazon. They both work great. We plug them into our portable chargers overnight so they stay running overnight for that extra air ventilation, and they work great too. Another important part of camping and having a car camping setup that you can bring to primitive campsites that don't have any electricity that you can use is having power source. So we have a Jackery, specifically the Jackery Explorer 600 Plus, works great for what we need it for. There's a variety of different outlets, cigarette lighter, USB-C and USB-A ports, and also a flashlight built into it. Although I do want to mention that you cannot check a generator this large. So if you have a generator that you want to bring and you are planning on flying to that road trip destination, to that car camping destination, you can't check or carry on a generator this size, which is also why we have one of these cigarette lighter outlets. Really affordable, worth it to have even when we do travel with our Jackery. It's nice to have another power source that we can plug into our car while we're driving around, while we're road tripping, while the car's on, and charge all of our most important electronics. Headlamps are also another essential for us because it can be really difficult to navigate around your campsite, especially again if it's a primitive campsite, when there are no lights around you and you're trying to set up or tear down your site or get ready for a big hike. It's nice to have a headlamp so that you can be hands-free, setting up, tearing down, getting ready, and still being able to see what you're doing. So we each have a headlamp that we travel with as well. And last but not least, gotta eat. So let's talk about our cooking setup for when we are car camping and SUV camping, namely our trusty Jetboil. We have the 1 liter Jetboil Flash. It boils water in like 60 seconds. So we're able to bring dehydrated meals to have full meal every night. You can make oatmeal with it. We make our coffee with it. Super easy to boil water with the Jetboil that you can use without building a fire, without spending time to build a fire, and in locations where fires are prohibited. We love our Jetboil and love traveling with these super packable, very flat, and mostly delicious dehydrated meals. And finally, another SUV camping setup gear item that is totally optional, but we find worth it, are hand warmers, foot warmers that we use in cold destinations at night. We open them, slip them into our sleeping bag for a little extra warmth, and it's really nice and cozy to have those. And that is it. That is our entire SUV car camping setup. I hope this gave you a lot of inspiration for your next camping trip so that you know that you can car camp and camp in general and still be comfortable and save money on those campsite fees if you're looking to start primitive camping. Like I said earlier, I will link all these products in the description as well as in this QR code so that you can check those out. And I will also link all of my road tripping guides, destination guides in the description to help you plan your next epic road trip. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. So for now, ciao.